Hi, Gen Zers! Colleen Santos here, and I'm your financial literacy campaigner from Manila. Under IMG Rockstar Community, Doc Gigi Sunga. So, ngayon, ang topic natin is Kaiser 3-in-1. No, so, malalaman nyo kung bakit siya tinawag na 3-in-1 and complete financial solution. Kasi masasagot nito ang healthcare, pangalawa, insurance, and pangatlo, investment. So, dito makikita nyo ang ating complete financial plan. The three major financial needs. No? Sa healthcare, unang-una, paano kung magkasakit ka? Paano kung hindi sapat ang ipon mo? And what if our family cannot take care of us if that time comes? Pangalawang insta sa buhay, life insurance kailangan to. Dahil paano kung may mangyari sa'yo? What will happen to your dependents? And who will take care of your family? Especially if you're the breadwinner or the provider of your household. Pangatlo is investment. What if you stop working? Siyempre, hindi naman tayo habang buhay na nagtatrabaho. We grow older every day. So, we need something na mapagkukuhaan ng ating retirement fund and maiwasan din na maging burden tayo sa ating family. So, this is the reason bakit kailangan natin ng long-term care. Para sa mga employees, syempre, hindi naman tayo habang buhay na nagtatrabaho. No, when we retire, ang short-term HMO from the company, mawawala po yan. Pangalawa, para sa mga OFWs, you cannot bring your healthcare pauwi ng Pilipinas. So, the real question here is, when do people get sick? Syempre, di ba, at our old age, at our elderly years. So, dapat handa tayo with our long-term care. So, ito ang pinagkaiba ng short-term care sa long-term care. Sa short-term care, kapag ikaw ay employed, no, hindi guaranteed ang renewal at hindi rin guaranteed na may babalik sa'yo kapag hindi mo siya nagamit. Sa long-term care ng Kaiser, renewal is guaranteed. And fix ang premiums natin dito sa Kaiser. Kasi sa short-term care, tumataas yan as you age. Depende po sa edad. Mas matanda, mas malaki ang babayaran. Pero sa long-term care ng Kaiser, fixed siya for the whole 7 years. Also, meron tang Kaiser na 4-way insurance coverage up to the long-term healthcare plan. Unang-una may term life, meron ding accidental death and dismemberment, waiver of installment due to death, and waiver of installment due to permanent and total disabilities. Kagandahan dito sa Kaiser, kapag hindi mo siya nagamit, babalik ang premiums mo. No? Up to 85% of the whole contract price, kapag hindi mo nagamit si Kaiser, mapupunta ulit sa'yo. So, guaranteed yon, may matatanggap ka pabalik. Hindi matitink yung pera natin dito, unlike sa short-term healthcare. So here we have the importance of Kaiser long-term healthcare. Now, like what I've said earlier, during your productive years or your employment years, ang HMO provided yan ng company. Ang tawag dito, short-term care. No, binabayaran to ni policy holder. Pwedeng ikaw, pwedeng ang company mo, pero kapag hindi ka nagkasakit, hindi mo nagamit yung short-term care, hindi siya guaranteed na may matatanggap ka after that, no, sa inyong retirement years. At isa pang problema dito, kapag ikaw ay nag-retire, wala ka ng HMO. Pero kailan ka ba nagkakasakit, no? When do people get sick? Kapag nag-retire na tayo. So, dapat, handa tayo, may sarili kang long-term care para sa'yo. Yun na hindi nakakaalam kung ano ibig sabihin ng premium, ayun yung binabayaran mo na installment. No? Pwedeng annually, pwedeng quarterly, pwedeng monthly or semi-annual. No? Depende po yan sa inyo. Pero ang kagandahan dito sa Kaiser, fixed siya. No? So, kung ang binabayaran mo sa plan mo na K100 ay 5,800 every month, for the whole 7 years, yun lang siya. Hindi siya nagbabago kahit mag-age si policyholder. Ito naman ang mga location and branches ng Kaiser Medical Center. Marami tayong mga Kaiser branches all over the Philippines. No? Kung nasa Metro Manila ka, accessible sa iyo ang Makati, meron sa North EDSA, sa Robinsons Galleria, and meron din sa San Pablo, Laguna, andyan po. No, sa Cebu, meron din. Kaiser is accredited by the Department of Health as an HMO and registered with the Insurance Commission with the license number HMO 2016-10R. And tayo rin ay registered sa Securities and Exchange Commission. Here naman ang ating Medical Director, Dr. Leia Uyolo. And ang ating mga corporate clients. So, ang healthcare provider ng Philippine Senate, Philippine Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, PEZA, and Philippine Coast Guard ay Kaiser. So, kung sila nagtiwala, no, Philippine government, nagtiwala sa Kaiser, paano pa ako na ordinaryong Pilipino? Now, let's get into the full detail kung bakit tinawag na Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder Plan. Kasi makikita natin dito, no, ang detailed explanation ng first to 7 years and of course sa hanggang 20th year. Dahil ang Kaiser ay 7 years to pay and on the 20th year ang ating maturity date. So, for example, ikaw ay nag-start at the age of 30 years old, matatapos ka magbayad at age 37. And from your starting age, 30 years old, add 20 years to that, ang sagot ay 50, syempre. No? So, doon, magiging matured yung plan natin. Now, let's get into the details of it. Yung mga benefits mo for 7 years of your paying period. So, unang-una meron tayong free annual physical examination. Mapapakinabangan mo na ito agad, katulad ng Basic 5. And free din ang ating ECG sa mga members na 35 years old and above. And libre din ang pap smear para sa females na 35 years old and above. Additional sa ating annual physical exam, kasali din dito ang free dental benefits katulad ng unlimited adjustment of your dentures, dental check-ups, pabunot ng ngipin, pwede rin po yan. And of course, ayan, ang inyong term life insurance and accidental death insurance coverage, pasok na agad yan once you have your own policy with Kaiser. So, ito naman po ang benefits natin, no, kapag na-reach natin ang maturity age ng ating Kaiser plan after 20 years. Unang-una, pwede itong kunin o i-withdraw natin lahat dahil good as cash to. Liquid kasi ang pera natin kay Kaiser. Pero, syempre, pag kinuha natin yun, terminated na ang ating Kaiser policy. Pangalawang option natin, pwede natin kunin yung kalahati at tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating healthcare, pati investments kay Kaiser. Or pangatlo, pwedeng iwan mo muna dyan kay Kaiser lahat para maging investment mo siya. Dahil kapag dumating ang panahon na kinailangan mo na sa inyong senior years, mas malaki po ang ating retirement money. Additional dito ang ating long-term care bonus. Ang kagandahan sa Kaiser pagdating ng inyong maturity age at hindi nyo nagamit yung Kaiser policy nyo, magkakaroon ka ng return of premiums. Ito ay aabot ng 70 to 85% of all ng mga binayad mo for the whole 7 years. Kung kunwari, ikaw ay annual na nagbabayad. Annual installment po meron tayo. 85% babalik sa atin. Kapag naman po monthly, 70%, and so on and so forth. So here's our example of the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder Plan. No? So, ayan, makikita natin dito, we have plans from K45 to K200, and there are plans higher than this. Umaabot po ito ng K1 million. Pero ang example ko today is K100, kasi yun po ang meron ako. No? So, meron tayo dito ang annual benefit limit na 60,000 pesos and room and board limit na 1,000 pesos. So, let's say si policy owner na confine, kinailangan niya ng Kaiser, ang kanyang room and board, let's say it's 1,000 pesos. Shoulder yon ni Kaiser lahat. As long as hindi mo nalilimit yung 60,000 pesos. And of course, additional meron ka ditong insurance. Term insurance po natin sa K100 is 450,000 pesos. But if the cause of death is accident, madodoble yan. Magiging 900,000 pesos. And ang projected maturity value niya after 20 years is 1.1 million. Ang halaga po ng ating Kaiser K100 plan sa installment niya is 5,882. Ang quarterly naman po 17,000, semi-annual 31,000, annual installment is 58,000 pesos. Let us take note na may policy fee po lahat ng plans. No? So, kada taon, isang beses doon ay may dagdag na 500 pesos. 7 beses kang magbabayad ng 500 kasi payable ito for the whole 7 years. So, additional information about sa ating pricing ng Kaiser, pwede ito sa 10 years old to 60 years old. And gaya nga po ng sabi ko kanina, ang plan na pinakamababa ay K45, no, para sa age 10 to 40 years old. For age 41 to 50 years old naman, mag-i-start ang pinakamababang plan from K60, and for ages 51 to 60 years old, mag-start sila ng pinakamababang plan na available ay K75. Pwede rin po tayo magbayad ng spot cash. Andiyan din, no? Please refer to the pic. Next, meron ka naman dito ang accidental death and dismemberment. So, lahat po ng parte ng katawan natin, pwede po yan. Meron din tayong tinatawag na Family Assistance Services and dapat active ang policy mo sa Kaiser. For the grace period, meron ka ditong 30 days or 1 month para hindi mag-lapse ang policy natin. So, say example, ang inyong due date hindi nyo nabayaran ng 20 days, okay lang po yun, hindi pa lapse ang inyong Kaiser policy. Huwag lang tayong lalagpas doon sa isang buwan. Meron din tayong tinatawag na reinstatement. So, we have two options for this kapag nag-lapse po ang inyong policy. So, una, yung update, no, yung mga buwan na hindi mo nabayaran before, no, magkakaroon lang siya ng interest na 1.5% surcharge. Parehas pa rin yung premium na babayaran nyo, pero uusog tuloy. Tama ba? Tama, uusog. Okay. The second option that we can do is babayaran mo yung mga premium for that month, pero uusog na yung maturity date mo. Ang reinstatement naman po ay 300 pesos lang, and if you have questions, please do coordinate doon sa taong nakausap nyo regarding your Kaiser plan. Moving forward, we have this question here, no? Is it transferable o pwede bang ma-assigned? Of course, Kaiser is, no, pwede itong ma-transfer o ma-assigned by the member provided na during his or her lifetime, the member appoints in writing the primary beneficiary in the policy who shall receive all the remaining assigned benefits under the said plan in the event of the death of the policyholder. So that is all for our Kaiser long-term care presentation today. If you have any questions or concerns, pakiscan na lang no, yung QR codes na nandyan sa screen. Or tignan niyo yung description box below, send me an email. Hi, I'm inviting you to attend our free financial literacy coaching webinar. Scan this QR code to get your free 20,000 personal accident insurance and free financial ebook. See you!